Hi guys, this is Denise Brooks with Alexis Information Systems. October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month. That's why today's video will cover the three major concepts about cybersecurity that you need to know as a business owner. Those three concepts are privacy, consumer devices, and e-commerce. Let's start with number one, privacy. With your privacy, you have to own it. You have to become aware of everything that you do that involves your privacy. I'll list one example only, social media. You have to always remember that whatever you put on social media could give someone enough insight to know exactly how to scam you. So it's not only about being stalked. It has to do with what you put out. If it is in the public profile, gives someone a better insight on who you are. The second concept is consumer devices. I'm not the one who would lecture you about accessing unsecured Wi-Fi networks. I would hope that by now you already know that is not a good idea. For this video, I wanted to share with you one extra step that you can take to secure your consumer devices. Be aware of which apps are on your phone or your tablet. Because as a tech salesperson, I know that every time you download an app, you give that development company the permission to study you, which means they can study everything from your behavior, your movement, to your contacts, to your emails. So if you do not need that app, it should be deleted from your devices. Last but not least, it's the e-commerce, protecting your e-commerce. We talk a lot about e-commerce on this channel, but you also have to remember it is your responsibility as the business owner to make sure that there is no vulnerability going on your e-commerce website. Granted, you may have a web developer, you may have a company that you pay for your website's security, support, and maintenance, but you still need to ask, is my website safe? When was the last time that you did a security scan on my website? Is my website free of any vulnerability? You need to know all of those things, because if something were to happen, it is still your responsibility. And for this month, as we all try to be a little bit more cyber smart, we'll keep in mind that being able to protect your e-commerce is just a small additional step to all the time and money that you've spent getting that website built. I hope you learned something from this video, because when it comes to cybersecurity, awareness is key. So I'm going to repeat those concepts. Privacy, own it. Consumer device, secure it. E-commerce, protect it. If you need any more information, I'll put a link in the description, which will take you to one of the websites that has enough information that you would read for hours. Thank you again, and have a great day.